Hi students, how are you? Welcome to Susan's Chemistry. Today lecture I am going to discuss about names and symbols of 118 elements. Okay. First discuss what is element. What is element? That is called Maulika. An element is defined as the purest and simplest form of matter. Purest and simplest form of matter which cannot be broken down into still simple forms by any means. That means an element is defined as the purest and simplest form matter which cannot be broken down into still simple forms by any means. Suppose we take a long iron wire, you cut it into small pieces. The small pieces you get that cannot lose the property of iron. We know that iron is attracted by magnet, so that the long iron attracted by magnet and this piece of iron also attracted by magnet, so that is the element. In other words, the pure substance containing only one kind of atoms is called an element. For example, oxygen element that contains the atoms of oxygen only. Aluminium element that contains only atoms of aluminium. Ozone contains only atoms of oxygen. Mercury which contains only atoms of mercury. Gold, etc. Gold contains only the atoms of gold. So that an element is the purest of matter, or the pure substance containing only one kind of atoms is called an element. We know that our universe is made of elements. Out of 118 elements, in total, 94 elements are natural, and rest 24 elements are man-made or synthetic. Okay, about 90% of the human body made up of 3 elements, that is carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, similarly about 90% of the mass of the earth crust contains 5 elements, that is oxygen, silicon, aluminium, iron and calcium. Oxygen, silicon, aluminum, iron and calcium. Okay. Now explain what is symbol. What is symbol? What is symbol? Suppose, what is symbol? The symbol of an element is defined as the shorthand sign. Shorthand sign or an abbreviation for the full name of an element is called symbol. Shorthand sign or an abbreviation for the full name of an element. For example, we take hydrogen. Symbol H. Full name hydrogen, symbol. Oxygen O. Aluminium A, like that. The symbol of a particular element. The symbol of a particular element is unique. Very important. The symbol of a particular element is unique. That means the symbol of hydrogen H, not He. The symbol of helium, right? The symbol of oxygen O, not OS. The symbol of osmium. Similarly, the symbol of iron Fe, not F. The symbol of fluorine. That means the symbol of a particular element, is unique, right? Every element has its own symbol. Every element has its own symbol, right? This is the element name symbol. That means the symbol of a particular element is unique. That means symbol of hydrogen H, not He. Symbol of oxygen O, not OS. Symbol of iron Fe, not F. The symbol of fluorine, right? John Dalton was the first person who used the symbols for the atoms of different elements. John Dalton was the first person who used the symbol for the atoms of different elements. In ancient days, he take a circle with a dot at center for hydrogen. The symbol of hydrogen used Dalton. He take a circle, solid circle for carbon. He take a solid circle, that is solid circle for carbon, right? He take a circle with a cross for sulfur. He take a circle with a vertical line for nitrogen. He take a circle with two vertical line for sodium. He take a circle with three vertical lines for potassium. Okay. J.J. Berzelius used the symbol of an element in English letters. J.J. Berzelius used the English letters for representation of an element. The symbol of an element is decided by IUPAC. What is IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. I am repeating. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. That means the symbol of an element is decided by IUPAC. Number 1, symbols derived from the first letter of an element, first letter of the name of an element. The symbols derived from the first letter of the name of element. For example, hydrogen. H, the first letter H. Oxygen. O, first letter O. Nitrogen. N. Number 2. Symbols derived from two letters of the name of an element. Symbols derived from two letters of the name of an element. For example, aluminium. Al, two letter, second two letter. Cobalt. CO, first letter. Similarly, number 3, symbols derived from Latin names. For example, sodium. Symbol Na derived from natrium. Latin name natrium. Potassium. K. Latin name kalium. K. Okay. Similarly, number 4, symbols derived from name of the country. Symbols derived from name of the country. For example, Americium. A, country name America. Francium. A for country name France. right? Similarly, symbols. Students, while writing the symbols of an element, always keep in mind the first letter is always capital, and second one is small. For example, this is a symbol of sodium, not this. Symbol of cobalt, Cu, not Cu, right? Symbol of magnesium, Mg, not Mg. Okay. Symbol of iron, Fe, not Fe. Okay. First letter capital, then small. First capital, then small. First capital, then small. First capital, then small. I am repeating. When writing the symbols of an element, first letter should be capital, then second one is small. This is the correct symbol notation. This is not the correct, wrong notation. For example, for mercury, Hg, not Hg. Okay, for helium, He, not He. Right? In this way, we are going to write all. Now discuss alphabet A for aluminium, arsenic, actinium, gold, silver, argon, americium, astatine. This is the Latin name of gold, aurum. This is the Latin name of silver, argentum. This is the country name of americium, America. Similarly, B for boron, B for beryllium, B for barium, B for bismuth, B for bromine, B for berkelium from the country, city of Berkeley. B for borium, according to scientist Niels Bohr. Similarly, we can discuss C. Now discuss C. We know C for cat, no. C for carbon, C for calcium, C for chromium, C for sodium, C for californium from the University of California. C for curium, scientist named Madame Curie. C for cobalt, C for Cu, copper from the Latin name cuprum. Cs, cesium, Ct, cadmium, Cl, copernicium, Cl, chlorine. Similarly, D for D for dubnium, D for dysprosium, D for dramstadium, E for elephant, right? Element name E for erbium, E for einsteinium, named scientist Albert Einstein. E for europium, country name Europe. Now discuss the alphabet F. F for fluorine, F for iron, Latin name ferrum. F for fermium, scientist name Enrico Fermi. F for francium, country name France. F for ferrodium. Okay. Similarly, G. G for gallium, G for germanium, country name Germany. G for gadolinium, Gd. H for hydrogen, H for helium, H for mercury, Hg, mercury, Latin name hydrargyrum. Hf, hafnium, Hs, hassium, Ho, holmium. Similarly, I for iodine, I for indium, country name India. I for iridium. K. K for potassium, Latin name thallium. K for krypton. Then L. L for lithium, L for lanthanum, L for lawrencium, L for lutetium, L for livermorium, Lv, symbol Lv. M for magnesium, M for manganese, M for molybdenum, M for moscovium, M for mendelevium, scientist name, M for metrinium. N. N for nitrogen, N for neon, N for sodium, that is named natrium, N for nickel, N for niobium, N for neohium, N for neodymium, N for neptunium, planet name Neptune, N for nobelium, Alfred Nobel, scientist. Start O for what? O for oxygen, O for osmium, O for organium, P for phosphorus, P for lead, that is named plumbum, P for palladium, P for platinum, P for plutonium, that is named Pluto, promethium, polonium, continent Poland, praseodymium, protactinium, Pa. Then R for radium, radon, rubidium, rhodium, ruthenium, continent Russia, rhenium, Rutherfordium, scientist named Rutherford, who discovered nucleus. For what? S for sulfur, S for silicon, S for selenium, S for strontium, S for tin, that is named stannum, S for antimony, that is named stibbium, S for scandium, S for samarium, S for seaborgium, scientist named Seaborg. T for what? T for titanium, T for technetium, T for tantalum, T for thallium, T for tellurium, T for thorium, T for thulium, T for terbium, T for tensile. Then I discuss U for uranium, planet name Uranus, V for vanadium, okay. W for tungsten, that is named wolfram, X for xenon, Y for yttrium, YB yttrium, Y for yttrium, okay. Z for zinc, Z for zirconium, and missing one element, for the R, lutetium, scientist named lutetium. In this way, we discuss all the elements, about 118 elements. For the name of the alphabets, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. If you sum all the alphabets names of elements, you get 180. Now discuss some questions regarding names and symbols of 118 elements. First question: write the name of the elements having symbols Sn, Hg, Fe, Lv, Lu, Mo, Hf, Sc, Sc, K, U, Os, Og, Rg, Pu. Second question: write the symbols. That is symbol of the following elements: radium, thallium, lead, sodium, antimony, tin, indium, manganese, gold, silver, bromine, dubnium, fermium, europium, copper. Third question: which of the following is an element? Diamond, graphite, ozone, sulfur, and all. I hope guys are understanding clearly this lecture. In the next video, I discuss about elements with their atomic numbers. Thank you all.